This conference will now be recorded.
In the previous session, we started workflows concept. What is the definition of the workflow is nothing but while creating a record or updating a record, not for deletion, only creating a record or updating a record. Any object, whether it is a standard object or custom object, our record, whatever we are trying to creating a record, right, or whatever we are trying to updating a record, right, that record, it will satisfy the condition. It will satisfy the condition. Here, what is the condition means? Based on our requirement, we will write our condition. Based on our requirement, we will write our condition. Then system automatically perform some actions. System automatically perform four actions. One is email alert, another one is field update, another one is outbound message, another one is task creation. In the previous session, we discussed one action that is nothing but email alert. Today also we will discuss one more example related to the email alert. Related to the email alert. My requirement is, my requirement is, I am working with the opportunity object. I am working with the opportunity object while creating opportunity record. While creating opportunity record, if stage is stage is closed last, then send an email alert. Send an email alert to opportunity owner. To opportunity owner. This is my requirement. While creating opportunity record, in that record, stage is a pick list field. Stage is a pick list field. If stage is equal to close last and click on the save button, then what we are expecting from the system? The system should send automatically an email alert to whom it will send? To the opportunity owner. To the opportunity owner. Here, the case is in our email alert. In our email alert, it will send subject line, right? And it will send some messages, right? Some message body it will send, right? Some body information it will send, right? My requirement is in the email alert, it should send the current record information. Email alert includes current record information. Current record information. My email template format is like this. Subject line is opportunity stage we have to display. Okay, opportunity stage we have to display. And the next one is hi. Hi, and body is we are trying to preparing one email template, right? Email template is nothing but it contains subject line, right? Plus body it contains, right? Body it contains, right? My email template subject is opportunity stage we have to print. We have to print opportunity stage. Then the next one is hi. Here it should automatically add the opportunity owner name. Opportunity owner name it should automatically add. Opportunity owner name it should automatically add. After that, opportunity name, opportunity name, see, opportunity name like this, type like this, and stage like this. All these information you should fetch from the current record. This is my requirement. This is my requirement. So you are trying to creating one opportunity record. While creating an opportunity record, if stage is equal to close last, then we are trying to sending an email alert. We are trying to sending an email alert to opportunity owner. Whom we are trying to sending to opportunity owner. Opportunity owner is nothing but he is also one user. That user is also having email. To that email we are trying to sending an email. So while sending an email we have to include the subject line, right? My subject line is like this. Okay, opportunity once my subject line I am trying to changing. Opportunity record has been created with with name. Here we have to add the opportunity name. Here we have to add the opportunity name, current record opportunity name. Suppose you are trying to creating one opportunity, that opportunity name we have to add. That opportunity details here we have to add. Suppose I am trying to creating one opportunity, that opportunity details we have to include in the mail. Here we have to include current opportunity record information in the email template. In the email template. Now I'm trying to logging into my Tyler version. How to log in into the Tyler version? We have to remember the URL login.salesforce.com, login.salesforce.com, and you have to enter your username and password and click on this login button. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. It will redirecting into this particular screen. Before starting our development, what we have to do, we have to check this requirement from the front end. We have to check this requirement from front end. First we have to search opportunity record. Where is opportunity record? We have to search. Means where is opportunity tab? We have to search. What I am trying to say is, before starting the development, before starting the development we have to understand the requirement from the front end. We have to understand the requirement from the front end. Front end here is nothing but a tab. So here we have to go with the opportunity tab. Now I am on this page. I want to navigate to opportunity tab. How to navigate to the opportunity tab? Go to app launcher. See here, go to app launcher, and you have to type it as a opportunity. See, we will get opportunities tab, right? Click on opportunity tab. Click on opportunity tab and click on this new button. How to create a new record? These are existing records. We are talking about new record only. While creating a new opportunity record, click on this new button. Click on this new button. Here it will show all the record types, but in our condition only stage field is there. There is no record type. Then click on the next button. Click on the next button. So while creating an opportunity record, and now we have to verify where is the stage field. Our condition is on stage field, right? See, stage is there at stage closed last. See here, closed last. Suppose user he will select stage as a closed last and click on the save button. Then who is the opportunity owner? The who is creating the record? That person is automatically opportunity owner. To that opportunity owner, to that particular user, we have to send an email alert. This user has a email address. To that email address, we have to send an email. While sending an email, on which format we have to send? Subject line is like this: opportunity record has been created with a name. So we have to give this opportunity name. We have to give this opportunity name. Whatever you are providing, right? This current record information we have to fetch. Then the next one is opportunity name, type, stage, some other field. Whatever the field you want, you will just go and add it in your email template. In your email template. So first what we will do is, I will just go and prepare one email template. We will just go and prepare one email template. How to prepare an email template is nothing but, I'm just going into the classic version. Go to here, switch to Salesforce Classic, switch to Salesforce Classic, and go to setup. Why I'm navigating into the classic version is, in the previous session we are getting an error, right? Go to switch to lightning experience. In the previous session, while creating an opportunity, sorry, while creating a workflow, we are getting one error, right? One pop-up error we are displaying, right? It is Salesforce issue only. What I'm trying to say is, go to here, setup, and in the quick find workflows, workflow rules are there, right? Workflow rules. Now go to here, take any existing workflow. Now click on edit, click on edit. See, I'm trying to creating one new email alerts. Here we are getting this error, right? We are getting this error. What is the solution for this error? What I did, I will go to Google and I search here. Okay, I will go to Google, same error, copy paste it. See, because of the first one you will take. Okay, you have to search one by one. This is from Salesforce only. Okay, this is from Salesforce. See, See, they are also getting the same error. See, they are also getting the same pop-up, the same error it is they are getting. The solution here you have to observe, they are saying you have to switch into the Salesforce Classic and you have to work it. Okay, you have to work it. This is the solution. This is the solution. One second. See, the same issue. The same issue they are also getting. What is the solution for this one is, they are saying you have to log in into the classic version and you have to work, and then you have to revert back into, then you have to back to the lightning version. They are providing this is the solution for now. Okay, going forward they will fix, going forward they will fix. That's why I'm trying to moving into the classic version. We are moving into the classic version. Now I'm switching to the classic version. Okay, in classic version and lightning version, every screen is same. Whenever we are trying to creating workflows, email alert, everything is same. Everything is same. Now I'm trying to switch into the classic version. Go to here, switch to Salesforce Classic, switch to Salesforce Classic. Now we want to create a email template. How to create an email templates? Here, go to setup is there, click on the setup, and in the quick find you have to type it as a email template. See, under classic email templates, under under communication templates, we will get classic email templates. Click on this one, click on this one, then it will redirecting into this particular screen. Here you have to observe we have folders are there. It's a by default folder is unified folder. Suppose we will create one email template and we will store into this particular folder, then it is available for all users in the Salesforce. Suppose we create one new template and we will store into my personal email template, means it is available for you only, it is available for the user. It is his personal, his own he created, so it is available for him only. If you want, you will just go and create your folders also, your own folder you will just go and create. Now I am trying to creating a new template. template is nothing but Template is nothing but I am trying to sending an email to you. So in my, why I am trying to sending an email, I will send some information, or I will send some images. I will send some images, right? Or message I will send, right? Message I will send, right? So for that particular purpose, we are trying to preparing one template. My template includes messages. My template include message. Go to here, click on new template. Here you have to observe. You are trying to preparing one template. You are trying to preparing one template. Your template, what it contains? It contain only text, or it contain images. It contains, or images it contains. Means images it contain mean you have to go to with HTML. Custom means it is completely with the customization. So suppose we want to go with the custom, in the sense means they will only provide the code. They will only provide the code. We have to copy and paste that one. Visual Force pages also the same thing. Visual Force pages also the same thing. For these three options, for these three options, they will only give some sample code. Okay, they will only give some sample code, because of that is a HTML code, and will also include images. They will also include images. So forget about this one. Sometimes in interview also they will ask how many types of email templates, means text email template, HTML, custom, Visual Force page. Okay, we have to say four. So these whenever we are trying to developing, they will only provide. Suppose we want to use custom, means they will only give, they will only give the sample code. For Visual Force page also they will only give, the developers only will give that code. Now coming into your text, I am trying to selecting the text format. Click on the next button, click on the next button, then it will redirecting into this particular screen. So we are trying to creating one email template. That email template we are storing into this particular folder. See how many folders are there. Now available for use, we have to check this particular checkbox. Now what is your template name? I'm just making it as a template underscore opti01. Any name, it doesn't matter. Encoding, it's based on our requirement. So or by default it is this one. We have to keep the same thing. Description, why we are trying to creating this email template, means on what requirement, based on which requirement we are trying to creating this email template, you have to mention this one. Okay, now coming into subject line. Now coming into subject line, what is our requirement here? My subject line should contain opportunity record has been created with the name, and it should fetch the current record information. Opportunity record has been created with the name. Now we have to get the current opportunity record information. Suppose you are trying to creating an opportunity stage is equal to close or last, then that current opportunity record information we have to get. How to get is nothing but here you have to observe available merge fields are there, right? Available merge fields. Okay, available merge fields. Here it will show all the objects. How many objects are there, whether it is a standard object or custom object, it will show all the objects. Which object we are working? Our requirement is with the opportunity object, right? Go to here, you have to select opportunity fields. Opportunity field you have to select. Then what is our first field? In the subject line we have to include opportunity name, right? Now go to here, select fields, scroll down here, you have to verify any name field is there. See, opportunity name field is there. Suppose you will select the name field here, automatically it will provide like this. You have to copy this one and you have to paste this one. These are called merge fields. Merge fields. It will capture the current record information automatically. It will capture the current record information automatically. Now, what is my next one? In the message, in the body, we have to include current owner, right? Hi, and here I have to include the current owner, right? Current opportunity record owner we have to include, right? Now go to here. Again, go to here. Opportunity owner, you have to verify where is the owner. Opportunity owner, see, and where is the owner field? Opportunity owner first name is there, owner full name is there. It is a defaultly it is available. Copy this one. Okay. Hi, opportunity dot owner full name, opportunity dot owner full name. Okay, so it will automatically get the current record owner, current record opportunity record owner, current record opportunity record owner, because of we are using the merge field and opportunity object. Now what is the next one? This is opportunity name, stays and remaining fields. Okay, now copy this one, copy this one. Here opportunity name is there, right? Opportunity name, type, stays, stays. This is my template. Okay, here opportunity name is there, right? So now again I will just go to the merge field and I will get the opportunity name, opportunity name. Copy this one. Now type is there, right? Type, go to here, type, opportunity types. Is there any or type field is there? See, type is there, right? Copy this one. This is nothing but merge field. We have to remember the terminology. It will capture the current record information. Then the next one is stays, right? Stays, go to here. Which field you want, you will just go and get it here directly. Okay. Now go to here, opportunity stage name. So this is my email template. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. We created one email template. My email template name is nothing but template underscore opti01, where we stored this email template. In this folder, we stored this email template. This email template is a text email template. Text email template. What this email template contains? The subject line is nothing but this one. And in the subject line, we are using merge field, and it will capture the current record. Current record means which object we are using the merge field, opportunity object. So opportunity dot name. Then in the body, whatever the field you want, you will just go and include. Here my based on my requirement, we included this field. So my template is ready. My template is ready. Now I will call this template from my workflow. I will call this template from my workflow. Now how to create a workflow? How to create a workflow? So while creating an opportunity record, if stage is equal to close to last, then we have to send an email alert, right? We are going to achieve this requirement by using workflows. Now we have to create a workflow rule. Go to here, in the quick find, we have to type it as a workflow rules, workflow workflow rules. Here we will get workflow rules. Click on the workflow rules. Okay, click on the workflow rules. It will show, it will redirecting into this particular screen. It will redirecting into this particular screen. Here you have to observe, in the previous session we created one view, and here that's why it is showing only case related workflows only, but I want to show all workflows. Go to here, you have to go and select all workflow rules and click on this go button. See, it is showing all the workflow rules. Sometimes you will confuse, so it will show only some object workflows. Means how? Means here there is a view, they created one view, that's why it will show only some object workflows only. So if you want, you will just go to here and select all workflow rules, click on this go button. It will show all the workflow rules. It will show all the workflow rules. Now we want to create a new workflow rule. We have to create a new workflow rule. Click on this new rule button. Click on this new rule button. Now go to your object. Here you have to select an object is nothing but on which object we are working. We are working with the opportunity object, right? Go to here, opportunity, then click on the next button. Click on the next button. What is your rule name? Opti underscore any name. There is no logic. I am trying to creating one workflow rule. While creating a workflow rule, we have to select the object. Plus the next one is, what is your rule name? Is there any logic while writing a rule name? Is there is no logic. I will just go and put like this also. It doesn't matter. But some meaningful name we have to provide. Opti underscore stays underscore close to last. Anything close to last. Description is nothing but why we are trying to creating this workflow rule. So what is the purpose? What is the purpose? Means based on some requirement, right? Every requirement has a number, right? You have to mention this number here. Based on this requirement, we are trying to creating this workflow rule. Is it mandatory to provide in the description? It is not mandatory, but it is the best practice. Okay. Suppose anyone will look into this, they will easily identify. Yes, based on this requirement, they created this workflow rule. Now coming into your evaluation criteria is there, right? What is this evaluation criteria? There are three types of evaluation criteria are there: created, updated, or both cases. So we will discuss. First we will go with the first option only, because of my requirement is only for creation, while creating an opportunity record only, right? Not for update, right? So that's why we will go and select the evaluation criteria as the first one, created. Now coming into rule criteria. Rule criteria is nothing but you are trying to creating a record, right? That record, it should satisfy the condition. That condition here we have to add. Here there are two options are there. Criteria are met is there, formula evaluation true is there. We'll discuss. First we will go with the criteria are met. Criteria are met. Now go to here. Go to what is our condition here. Opportunity stays, right? See here. Stays equals close to last. Stays equals to close to last. See, in opportunity object, we are whenever user is trying to creating one opportunity record, user is trying to creating an opportunity record, that record stage is equals to close to last. Then what we are expecting from the system? Click on the save and next button. Click on the save and next button. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. Then the system it is asking, immediately you want to send some actions, or based on time you want to send actions. No, my requirement is immediately I want to send an email alert. That is my requirement. So these time dependent actions we will discuss. Time dependent action we will discuss. So what is my action? My action is nothing but email alert, right? Go to under immediate workflow actions. Go to under immediate workflow action. You have to select any action, new email alert. Click on this go button. Click on this go button. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. It will redirecting into this particular screen. Description, any name, it doesn't matter. Email alert, optistays, any name, it doesn't matter. Names, there is no logic. Names, there is no logic. Now coming into your email template, right? Email template, this is a lookup icon, right? Lookup icon. Click on this email template. Just now we created one email template, right? Where we created this email template? In unified public classic email template folder only, right? Click on this lookup icon. So when click on this lookup icon, it will show in the left hand side, it will show the folders. Which folder we created? Unified public classic email template, right? Go to here and you have to search for your email template. Yes, we are getting our email template. So first we have to prepare the email template. That email template, here we are calling what this email template contains. This email template contains subject line and message body. We want to send an email to you. So we want to send an email to you. Why we have to send? Some information I want to pass, right? That information is nothing but subject line and message body, right? That in the Salesforce we will call it as a template, email template. That email template we have to prepare. Four types of email templates: text, HTML, custom, visual force pages. We are working with the text only. Remaining HTML, when we have to go, whenever we want to include images, headers, footer, images, we are going to include. So completely I want to go with the customization, the third option. Fourth option is visual force pages, that is related to the programming. That is related to the programming. Now coming into our concept, we are calling one text email template. Text email template. Then the next one is recipient type. So whom we want to send an email alert. So what is my requirement? We want to send an email alert to opportunity owner, right? So from where we will get opportunity owner? Go to here, search box. See here, it will show owner is there, right? Click on this one, owner. In the left hand side, we will automatically get to the opportunity owner. Select this one, opportunity owner. Okay. Suppose you want to send it to some other users, go to here. You will just go and select the user. User is nothing but these are the active users in our Salesforce instance. In our Salesforce instance, in the previous session, we created one user, right? That username is Akira Mohit, right? So we also selected that particular user. So we are sending an email alert to this particular opportunity owner plus this user. So we can add any number of users, any number of recipients we can add it. Okay, there is no limit. Now coming into here, here additional emails are there, right? Additional emails. Suppose I want to send an email alert, but that email is not included in the Salesforce. For example, rb@gmail.com. This is the email I want to send, but this email is not included in the Salesforce, is not included in my sandbox. Not included in my sandbox, what does that mean? No user is having this particular email. No user is having this particular email. So this email is not related to our Salesforce sandbox. So that's why we will just go and include this email here. So what I am trying to say is, suppose we want to send an email alert to emails that are not related to our Salesforce. Yes, we will just go and include that emails here. Now here you have to observe from email address. From email address. So from which email address we are trying to sending email to this particular users? Current users email address or default workflow users email address. Default workflow users email address means some setup is there. Okay, so always from email is this email only, but generally we will use current users email address or based on our requirement. So from address, so I'm trying to sending an email to you. From address is mine, right? Here who is the from address? You are trying to sending an email alert. Who is the from address? From address is nothing but I am saying who is creating an opportunity record. That person is the that person is the current user. That person email address is the from address. Okay, so here we are trying to selecting from address as a current user email address. See here, we are sending an email to whom we are trying to sending, to these users we are trying to sending. User is nothing but user should have a email. To that email we are sending an email. So what we are sending, that is nothing but email template. From which email we are sending, that is nothing but this one. You want to send any other emails also, yes, you have to include this one. So finally we have to give one name to our email alert. That name is nothing but this one. Then click on the save button. Click on the save button. Then click on this done button. Click on this done button. Now we have to activate. We have to activate. So finally here you have to observe. 1 second. See, we created one workflow rule, right? We created one workflow rule. If this rule satisfied, which action it will fire? Email alert. See, workflow action, which action it will fire? Email alert it will fire, right? Email alert. What is this email alert is nothing but this is the name. So here, what is your condition? What is your workflow rule condition? It is an opportunity object. When we are trying to creating an opportunity record, if that record stage is equal to close or lost, then the system it will automatically perform this action. That action is nothing but email alert. That action is nothing but email alert. Now we will just go on to test. How to test? How to test whether this workflow is firing or not? How to test? We will go with the lightning version. We will go with the lightning version. Go to here. Go to here. 1 second. I'm trying to testing whether it is sending an email alert or not. How to test? How to test whether our workflow is firing or not? Firing or not? So workflows it will automatically fire. Workflows it will automatically fire. Now go to opportunity tab. Go to opportunity tab. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. Then automatically it will show some record types. Automatically it will show some record types. It is created by us. So here there is no condition. There is no condition on the record type. Select any record type. Now go to here. Go to here. Opportunity name is nothing but opti name, and the next one is here. Scroll down here. Amount. Provide all the mandatory details here. Provide all the mandatory details here. Stage is equal to close or lost. See here, close or lost. Now type is equals to existing customer. Then click on the save button. We are trying to creating one opportunity record. How we are creating an opportunity record? We are going into the opportunity tab. Click on this new button. Then selected record types. Record types we created. Any record type we will just go and select. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. You have to provide all the mandatory details. Suppose I will select like stage is equal to prospecting and click on the save button. System what it will do? System it will check any workflow rules are there in your sandbox. That workflow rules it will satisfy the condition. Here what is the condition? Our workflow rule condition is what? Stage is equal to close last. But here what is the condition? Stage is equal to prospecting. Then it will not satisfy. Then it will not fire. So whenever we are trying to creating a record, the system automatically check in opportunity object any workflow rules are there. If workflow rules are there means those workflow rules it will satisfy the condition means this condition. See in opportunity, yes, whenever we are trying to creating a record, workflow rule is there, but that rule should satisfy this condition. That record should satisfy the condition. Now I am trying to selecting close last. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. So opportunity record has been created, right? Now we have to verify whether emails received or not. How to verify is nothing but I will just go to the user. Go to here. See, this is the user email. This is the user email. Here you have to observe opportunity record has been created with the name, right? This is opportunity name only, right? See, go to here. Where is our record name? My record name is scroll down here. What is my opportunity name? See here, opti name only, right? Opti name only, right? Then what is the next one? Hi Ramesh Babu, here it is coming. In our email template, we added opportunity owner. Here, who is the opportunity owner? Who is the opportunity owner? Opportunity owner is nothing but Ramesh, right? Opportunity owner is nothing but Ramesh, right? Now again coming into here. Opportunity name, yes. Type is equal to existing customer upgrade, right? Go to here. What is the type? Type is equal to existing customer upgrade, right? Now the next one is here. Stage is equal to close last, right? Yes, it is taking the close last. Here the concept is it will capture the current record. It will get the current record information into our email templates. How it will get how it will get is nothing but we will use merge fields. We will use merge fields. Okay. Any questions on this email alert? Any questions or any confusion on this email alert? This is complete email alert. One action we completed, that is nothing but email alert. Any questions? Okay, fine. Next, we will go another action. Another action is nothing but field update. Okay, field update. Okay, before going, I will close all these things. Okay, I will close. Again, I am moving into the classic version. Same screens only. For example, I am in the lightning version. This is the lightning version. Go to quick find. You have to type it as a workflow. We have to concentrate more on the lightning version. Okay. So presently everyone is using lightning version. Here why we are redirecting into the classic version is there is some browser issue. That's why we are working with the classic version. But see, whenever we are trying to creating workflow rules, same thing, same screens. See, workflow rules are there, right? Go to quick find. Always go to the quick find. No need to remember the navigations. I also don't know. Suppose I want to create workflow rule. What I will do? I will go to quick find. I will type it like workflow. Okay, here it is not coming like this. I will go to here. I will type it as a workflow. Yes, workflow action is there. Under this one, workflow rules are there. We have to create workflow rule only, right? Click on this workflow rule, then it will redirecting into this particular screen, right? See the same thing, right? View is there, right? Suppose you want particular object to workflow rules, you will just go and create your own view, your own view. So here it is showing all workflow rules. Now we are trying to creating a new rule. Click on this new rule. See the same screen, right? In the classic question also we are getting same screen, right? My requirement is an opportunity object, right? Go to here, opportunity object, then click on the next button. See here, rule name, everything is same, right? This screen is same, right? Evaluation criteria is also the same. This kind screen, everything is same. Okay, everything is same. Now coming into our next action, that is nothing but field update. Again we are moving into the classic version. We are moving into the classic version. We are going to discuss the next action, that is nothing but field update. Before going into the field update, I will give some information. Okay. Okay, see, this is one object. Okay, my object name is nothing but a. So there is no childs, there is no parent, there is no parent, there is no child. Okay, so this is one case. The second case is okay, X, this is one object, this is a parent object, and this is a child object. Okay, this is a child object. This is second case. The third case is this is K, this is one object, parent object, and this is child, L object. Okay, in the same object, I mean, it is a single object. It is a single object. This is, assume that this is a parent, this is a child. This is a parent, this is a child. Okay, here also, this is a parent, this is a parent, this is a child. This is a child. Okay, single object, parent to child, here also parent to child. Okay, so I'm talking about field update. We are talking about field update. So in single object, suppose I am trying to creating one opportunity record, or I am trying to updating one opportunity record. If stage is equal to clausule last, then we want to update type is equal to something. This is my requirement. So three cases are there. Just observe. You have any question, let me know. In opportunity object only, in opportunity object while creating a record, if stage is stage is clausule last, then update type is one field, right? Type is equals to, we have to update type is equal to existing customer. Okay, go to here, 1 second, click on this new button, go to here. Where is the type? Here, type. We want update type is equal to new customer. That is my requirement. I will explain. Okay. First, we will understand the requirement clearly. Okay. In opportunity object, I am trying to creating one opportunity record. While creating an opportunity record, if stage is equal to, see here, if stage is equal to close last, and click on the save button, then what we are expecting from the system? We're expecting from the system, you have to update the type field to the new customer. Type is where? Where is the type? Type is in the same object or in different object? In the same object only, right? In the same object only, right? So by using workflows, the first case is we will update the fields in the same object only. In the same object only. My condition is in the same object, and we are expected the action. Action is nothing but updating the field. Where we want to update the field? In different object we want to update the field, or in the same object we want to update the field? In the same object we want to update the field. Yes, it is possible. So what I'm trying to say is, whenever you are trying to creating a record or updating a record, and it will satisfy the condition in the opportunity object or any object. Here in our case is in opportunity object, then what is our result? Our result is updating a field. Where you are trying to updating a field? In the same object you are trying to updating a field, or in different object? In the same object, right? Yes, this case is possible. So that's why I'm saying condition is in this object, and expecting the output is also in the same object. Yes, this case is possible by using workflows. Whenever we will get, I'm trying to creating a record or updating a record, if record satisfy this condition, then we want to update the field. Where we want to update the field? In the same object I want to update the field. Yes, you have to select the workflow. Okay, this is one condition. Now coming into your parent to child. This is a parent object, this is a child object. Okay, this is a parent, A is a parent, and I mean B is a child. Now I am trying to creating one record in the A, or I am trying to creating a record in the B. Now I want to update in the corresponding child record. Then it is not possible with the workflows. I am trying to updating a record, or I am trying to creating a record. Then we want to update in the child object. Then it is not possible. This case is not possible by using workflows. Then how it is possible is nothing but we have process builder is there. Process builder. It is an extension of the workflow. It is a new version for the workflow. We will discuss. First, we have to identify what is the any questions. Okay. First, we have to
So,
identify.
Yeah, I
Yes.
have one question. So you mean to say, for example, if we have an account, if we have, say, for example, um, if we need to update, if account has some stage, and if that account is some sort of like, if the account type is this, and if you want to update some other field in opportunity field, then that is not possible. Or
Yes,
is
that is
so
not
two
possible.
different objects or two different objects are not possible, is it, to
Two
update?
different object is not possible.
Okay.
Okay, two different object is not possible, and if there is a relationship and you are trying to updating in the parent object and you want to update the corresponding child, that is also not possible. Different object in the sense means whether it is a relationship, it is a relationship, okay, that is a child relationship, then it is not possible. If there is no relationship, then that is not at all possible. That is not at all possible. If
Okay,
there is
makes
no
sense.
relationship, A and
Okay.
B are two objects. There is no relationship. A is one object and B is another object. I am trying to updating one field here. Okay. Now I want to update in the B. If there is no relationship in the sense means it is not at all possible. It is not at all possible. If there is a relationship, if there is a relationship and A is a parent and B is a child, so this case is also not possible. This case is also not possible. So the second option is not possible. If there is a parent to child relationship and we are trying to updating in the parent and we are expecting the output in the child, this case is not possible by using workflows. Any question?
Got it. Okay. I have, so let's just only one question, sir. So in this case, say for example, in our previous case, for example, triggering the alerts. So it doesn't matter for there as well, right? Say for example, if we want to pull the merge field from instead of sending the opportunity owner, okay, when the opportunity is in the closed one, we need to send we need to pull the opportunity owner name as well as the account details, some of the account details or something like that. At that time it doesn't matter, right? Like we can just pull those information in my email template, correct?
Yeah, you are saying this is valid question. You are saying stage is there, stage is equal to close last. We are trying to getting the opportunity owner. In addition to that, I will also fetch the account name. Account details also we have to fetch. Account is a lookup field. Okay, this case we'll discuss. Okay, this case, this is the third option. If third option is completed, then we'll discuss. I will come into this case. Okay, Nirmal.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Yeah, thank you.
So finally, up to now, two cases we discuss. One is in the same object. I'm trying to creating a record. I'm trying to updating a record in one object, and we are expecting the result also in the same object. We're expecting the result also in the same object. Yes, workflows is possible. I am trying to creating a record or updating a record in one object and we are expecting the result in different object. If there is a relationship, if there is no relationship means it is not possible. Forget about that. There is no relationship means forget about that. If there is a relationship and there is a parent and child relationship, yes, this case is also not possible. This case is also not possible. So we are trying to updating a field in the parent object. Now we are expecting the result in the child object. Yes, this case is not possible. And now coming into here parent to child is there, right? Suppose I am trying to creating a record, child record, or I am trying to updating a record. We are trying to creating a record or we are trying to updating a record. Then we're expecting to update the field in the parent object. Yes, this case is possible. Parent to child is not possible, but I'm trying to creating a child record. I'm trying to creating a child record. See here, this is A, this is a parent, this is a parent. Okay, now for this parent B is a child, B is a child. I'm trying to creating a B1 record. While creating a B1 record, I want to update in the parent record. Yes, this case is possible. When it is possible, if there is a master detail relationship between these two objects, this is a master and this is a detail object, then only it is possible. What I am trying to say is two objects are there. One object is a parent object and another object is a child object. Now I will go to the child object. I am trying to creating a record. while creating a record while creating a record, my requirement is update in the parent record. Update in the parent record. Yes, this option is possible. When it is possible? if there is a master detail relationship between these two objects, and this is a master and this is a detail object, that case is possible. So child to parent is possible. When it is possible, there is a master detail relationship. But here, now coming into here, a and b, a is a parent and b is a child. Suppose I am trying to updating a field here. Now I want to update in the b, then this is case is not possible. There is no parent to child. Child to parent is there. I am trying to creating one child record. Now I want to update in the parent. Yes, that is possible. But when it is possible, there should be master detail relationship. If there is a lookup relationship, it is not possible. But in this case, parent to child is not possible. I am trying to updating a record in the parent object. I want to update in the corresponding child. It is not possible by using workflow. We have to go with the process builder. Suppose I am doing my operation in one object, and we are expecting the result is also in the same object. I am trying to updating the field in the same object. Yes, this case is possible. Same object is possible by using workflow. Parent to child is not possible. Child to parent is also possible. When it is possible, there is a master detail relationship. If there is a lookup relationship, then it is not possible. So instead of these two cases, generally we will go with the process builder. Process builder is an extension of workflow field update. It is an extension of workflows. It is an extension of workflows. First, we will discuss these workflow 4 actions. Then we will go with the process builder. Any questions? In your case here, you have to observe, Nirmal, just now you asked one case. So we are trying to creating one opportunity record. Stage is equal to close last. Then click on the save button. Then we are trying to capturing the opportunity record information. Yes, that is fine. But I also want to capture account record information. Yes, it is possible because of there is a master detail relationship between these two objects. Okay, Nirmala, got it?
Got it, sir. So the master detail relationship can also be made for the uh, standard objects as well, is it? Like because
Yes,
these.
standard.
Okay,
Any object, between any object we can make.
got
Okay,
it.
there
Okay,
is no concept like this concept is only for custom object, this concept is only for child, I mean custom standard object. It is not like that. Whatever the topic we are discussing, all these topics are applicable to every object. Okay.
oh, makes sense. Okay,
So here we will go with the first case. Now coming into here, there are three cases are there. Whenever we are coming into the field updates here, field update is there, three cases are there. We are going with the first case. First case is what? While creating a record, if stage is equal to close last, then we are trying to updating type is equals to new customer. So operation is an opportunity object and we are expecting the result. The result is nothing but type. Type is also in the same object. So finally in the same object, condition is in the same object. Condition is condition is one second. Condition is in the same object, and the result is also in the same object, and the result is also in the same object. Result is also in the same object. Means finally we are working with the same object. Yes, workflows is possible. Workflow is possible. Workflow field update is possible. So for same example, we are trying to creating workflow field update. While creating a opportunity record, if stage is equal to close last, then update type is equal to new customer. Now I am in this space. I want to create one workflow rule. How to create a workflow rule? If it is a classic version or lightning version, where we have to go, this is the records. Now I want to work with metadata, workflows, fields creation, all those things. Technically we will call it as a metadata. I want to navigate to workflows, to I want to create a new workflow rule. How to navigate? Always go to setup. In lightning version also same thing, right? We have to go to the setup, right? Go to setup. Go to setup. In the quick find, lightning also we have to go to the quick find, right? Here also we have to go to the quick find, right? Lightning also we have to type workflow, right? Workflow rules are there, right? There are also workflow rules, right? Click on the workflow rules. Here also we will get the same screen, right? Same screen. Just remember one shortcut. Suppose we want to work with metadata, whether it is a classic version or lightning version, always go to the setup and the quick find. Always go to the setup and the quick find, whether it is a classic version or lightning version. Okay, now it will redirecting into this particular screen. It will show all the workflow rules. Now click on this new rule. Click on this new rule. Now coming into your object is there, right? Which object we are working? I am working with the opportunity object. Go to here. I am working with the opportunity object. Click on the opportunity. So my requirement is an opportunity object. Requirement is an opportunity object. Click on the next button. Then what is your workflow rule name? What is your workflow rule name? Rule name, there is no logic. I will just go and put ABC also, it doesn't matter. But some meaningful name. Update type field. Update type field based on stage. Okay, based on stage. Why we are trying to creating this workflow rule? Based on some requirement, right? Requirement means for every requirement there is a number. That is a user story number. We will call it as a story number. Every requirement we have one number, that is nothing but story number. Based on this requirement we are trying to creating this workflow rule. That story number you have to mention. Now coming into it, everything is same. Evaluation criteria is created. We are going with the first option. In the next sessions we will go with the second and third option. But here you have to remember the terminology evaluation criteria. What are the evaluation criteria are there? In interview also they will ask what is the difference between second one and third one, also they will ask. Rule criteria is nothing but it is a record condition. You are trying to creating a record, right? On that record we are trying to checking the condition. So two options are there. Formula evaluation to true, criteria are met. We are going with the criteria are met. Now here what is my condition? Any field here stage is equals to see stage equals, this is a pick list field, right? Stage equals, that's why here this this lookup icon is coming. Stage is a pick list field. Now go to here, select this one, select this one, close the last, right? Select close the last and click on save and next. See, in opportunity object, while creating a record, that record stage equals to close the last, then click on save and next. What we are expecting from the system? Immediately we are expecting the from the system, or some time, I mean after 30 minutes, after 2 hours, or after one day we are expecting. No, my requirement is immediately, right? Immediately, which action you are trying to expecting? You want to send an email alert? Yes. But in this case, we want to send a field update, right? Sorry, we want to update a field, right? We want to update a field. Select this one, click on this go button. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. It will redirecting into this particular screen. Update type field info, any name. For every action also we should provide some name. You remember, for email alert also we provided some name, right? Not only workflow rule, for alert, for action also we have to provide some name. For action also we have to provide some name. Then the system it is asking where you want to update the field. In the same opportunity object you want to update the field, or in account object you want to update the field. Account is a master, the third case. But here my requirement is what? Opportunity object. In the same object only we are trying to updating a field. Now go to here, which field we are trying to updating? Type field, right? Select the type field, click on this go button, click on this go button. Then see, I mean whatever the option you want, you will just go and select a specific value, right? Go to here, which value we are trying to updating with a new customer. So we are trying to updating a field. So updating a field is nothing but one action we are performing. That action name is nothing but this one. Any logic here means there is no logic, any name. For workflow rule also we have to provide a name. For workflow action also we have to provide a name. Yes, then where we are trying to updating the field? In the same opportunity object, right? Field to update, opportunity, which field you are trying to updating, type, with which value we are trying to updating, pick list, right? Type is a pick list, right? See here a specific value, here we will just go and use new customer. Here re-evaluate workflow rule after field change is there. This option will discuss, okay? This option will discuss. Click on the save button, click on the save button. So our condition is in opportunity object. Click on the done button. See, and now activate this one. Suppose we will not activate and we will go and create one opportunity record, then it will not update. Click on activate. Okay, click on activate. Here my condition is in opportunity object. While creating a opportunity record, if stage equals to close or last, then what we are expecting? We're expecting which action? Immediately we want to update a field. Which field we want to update? That here we have to observe. Go to here, this is a field, this is my action name. We are trying to updating opportunity type field. This is a pick list field. We are trying to updating to new customer. We are trying to updating new customer. Now I will just go on to test it. How to test is nothing but I will go with the I will go with the lightning version. Classic version is also, go to here, click on the opportunity tab, click on this new button. The look and feel is different here. Click on this continue, click on this continue. It will redirecting into this particular screen. Provide all the details, provide all the details. See, stage is equals to closure lost, stage is equal to closure lost. See, I'm trying to providing type is equal to existing customer upgrade, right? Click on the save button. When click on the save button, the system it will check any workflow rules are there. That rules it will satisfy this record condition. Yes, it will satisfy. Previously we also created one workflow rule with email alert, right? Yes, stage is equal to close last. Again we created one more field update, right? That field update it will update the type, right? Yes, it will work. Click on the save button. The system automatically check. The system automatically check. Here you have to observe type is equal to new customer. It is updated, right? It is updated. So our workflow satisfied, right? We will also go and create the record in lightning also. Switch to lightning experience. Switch to lightning experience. Now I want to create one opportunity record. How to create? Go to opportunities tab. Suppose you will not find this opportunity tab, go to app launcher and you have to find. Then click on this new button, select any one record type and see here, select any one record, provide all the mandatory details here, all the mandatory details. Stage is equal to close lost, opportunity name, test, okay, test, type is equal to, I'm just providing it, existing customer. Click on the save button. When click on the save button, when click on the save button, the system automatically check. No need any setup. No need any setup. Whenever you
Oppor-
will create, yeah,
Opportunity name you gave tier instead of test.
okay. Yeah, thank you. So here, here you have to observe when we will click on the save button, when we will click on the save button, okay, no need any setup. The system only verify any workflow rules are there. Any workflow rules are there. Yes, workflow rules are there. In opportunity object, any workflow rules are there. Yes, workflow rules are there. Those rules it satisfy condition. Then it will perform the proper action. It will perform the proper action. Click on the save button. See, now here you have to come. This is the record page, right? We discussed this record page. Now type is equal to new customer, right? It is updated, right? Our action is firing, right? Our action is finding, right? So the first case is find, right? While creating a record, if stage is equal to close lost, then we are trying to updating type is equals to new customer. So in the same object, condition is in the same object, result is also in the same object. So finally by using workflows we will update the field in the same object. This is case number one. Case number one, yes, it is possible. Now coming into case number two. Case number two, okay, case number two, okay, okay, parent to child is not possible, is not possible. What is the solution for this one is process builder. Okay, solution for this one is process builder. Whenever we will get a requirement, based on the requirement we have to understand for this requirement this concept is suitable. No one will guide us. For this requirement you have to go with the process builder. For this requirement you have to go with the workflow. No one will guide us. Based on the requirement we have to understand. Okay, so parent to child is not possible. What do you mean by parent to child? Go to here. I am trying to updating. This is a is one object and B is another object. B is another object. So suppose there is no relationship. Now I am trying to update. Now I am trying to updating here, creating something. Then I want to update here. There is no relationship. If there is no relationship, then process builder is also not possible. Okay, just remember, if there is a relationship, if parent to child relationship, that is not possible by using workflow. If there is no relationship between two objects and we are working in one object and we want to update in different object, that is not possible by using process builder also. If there is a relationship, if there is a relationship and parent to child relationship, so we are trying to working on the parent and we want to update in the child. We are working on parent object, and we want to update in the corresponding childs. This is not possible. This is not possible. We have to remember these three cases. This is not possible with the workflows. We have to go with the process builder. If there is no relationship, if there is no relationship between objects, and we are trying to updating, then this is also not possible. Then this case is not at all possible. If there is no relationship between two objects and I want to update, we are doing operation in one object and I want to update in different object, process builder is also not possible. Then this case is not possible, not possible, not possible by using workflows, process builder. Okay, process builder. Only one case is possible with the workflows. That is nothing but case 3. So if we are working with the child object, we are working with the child object child object in the sense means I am trying to creating a child record. Generally we will call it as a child object or child record, both terminologies they will use. I'm working with the child object, then we want to update then we want to update in the parent object, okay, in the parent object. Yes, it is possible if there is master detail relationship, master detail relationship. Two objects are there, two objects. So this is two objects. A is one object, B is another object. If there is no relationship, now I want to update, I'm doing my operation here or here, now I want to update. Yes, this case is not possible by using process builder or workflow. This is not at all possible because of there is no relationship between these two objects. If there is a relationship, A is a parent and B is nothing but a child, if there is a relationship between these two objects, there is a relationship between these two objects. Now we are doing our operation in A object, parent object we are doing, and we are expecting in the child object. So this case is not possible by using workflows. Parent to child option is not available in the workflows, that is available in process builder. Now coming into here, the same A and B, A is a parent and B is a child. Now we are trying to working on B and we are expecting the result in the A. Yes, this is possible. Child to parent is possible. You are working in the child record and you want to update in the parent record. Yes, that is possible. But when it is possible, this is a master, this is a master, and this is a child. This is a detail object. Then only it is possible. Then only it is possible. Now coming into here, the third case, opportunity and account. There is a master detail relationship. Go to here, switch to Salesforce. I'm just switching into classic version. Okay. My requirement is I'm working with the opportunity objects here. I'm working with the opportunity object while creating an opportunity record. If type is equal to existing customer downgrade, and here account name is there, right? We will select an account name. In this account, we have to update the field. I'm trying to creating one opportunity record. While creating an opportunity record, if type is equal to existing customer downgrade and click on the save button, then where we want to update the field in same object, yes, we can achieve. In the parent object, that parent should be a master. Here account is a master. Account is a master. Yes, that option is there. That option is there. My requirement is update field in account object. Whatever you selected right here, this is nothing but one account record, right? This is nothing but account record, right? In that account record, our workflow, it will update. That is my requirement. In that account record, you have to update rating. One field is there. Rating you have to update to hot. That is my requirement. Okay, while creating an opportunity record, if type is equal to existing customer downgrade, then update in account object. Here you will select account, right? That account object in that record, you have to update type fields. One field is there, not type. Rating is one field is there. Go to here, rating is there. 1 second. Go to here, rating is there. See here, this is only Google, right? This is Google. This is account record, right? Here rating is there, right? Rating you have to update. That is my requirement. So what I will do, I will go to setup. I will go to setup, workflow rules. See, everything is same. Where we want to update in the same object, in parent object. Parent object means that parent should be master. New rule, which object we are writing? Our opportunity object only, right? Okay. Whenever we are trying to creating opportunity record only, right? Here in our case, two objects are there where we have to write our workflow. Where we are doing our operation in opportunity. We are creating opportunity record. That's why we have to write our workflow in an opportunity object. So opti field update, some meaningful name, created only, created, what is your condition, type, right? Go to here, type, scroll down, type is there, right? Type equals, equals, type equal downgrade, select, click on save and next. Then what we are expecting from the system? We are expecting from the system field update. Click on this go button. Then where we are trying to updating the field? In the same objects, in the same opportunity object or in the account object. Why this option is there means this is a master. Opportunity is a child, account is a master. Go to your account. In account, which field you are trying to updating? We are trying to updating rating field. Go to here. Where is this rating? Scroll down here. Actually, it should be there. Or not. No. Once we selected, click on this go button. Then it will show. Okay. Click on this. Rating field is there. See here, rating field is there, right? Rating. Click on this go. Rating field we are trying to updating to rating field we are trying to updating to heart, where we are updating in account object, but our workflow rule condition is on which object? Opportunity object. Opportunity account, what kind of relationship? Opportunity is a child, account is a master. Update child, okay, any name. Then click on the save button, click on the save button, then click on this done, click on this activate. See, we are trying to working on opportunity object. We are creating one opportunity record. If that type equals to this one, then we are trying to updating a child, where we are trying to updating in the account object. In account, which field we are trying to updating? Rating field. Now go to here. See, this is my record. Okay. Close date, provide all the details. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. Here we selected account name as a Google, right? Now go to this Google. Go to this Google record. Here you have to observe rating is equal to heart, it is updated, right? So the third option is possible, child to parent is possible, but there should be master detail relationship. This is the second action. The remaining actions will